Hello everyone. Today we are going to see SAP org structure in ECC and S4HANA servers. So let us see building up SAP organization structure, starting with plant. So in order to do so, we have to go to SPRO transaction IMG, enterprise structure, definition, logistics general, define copy delete check plant. So let us see whichever be the plants that already exist in the system so that we can take it as reference. So here I am taking plant Z100 as reference and copying it to create my own plant. So I will create Z110. So accordingly I am making up a description, but all the information that already exists will be from Z100 plant. So once we click on enter, then system will prompt us to give the address for new plant. So I am making only one change, region, and click on enter. So now Z110 plant has been created. Click on save. Then system will ask to enter a transport request. Since this is an organizational entity, every time we have to create a transport request. So in order to check whether the plant has been successfully created or not, we have to go into table T001W. So here if we give the newly created plant and execute, one can see all the new plant related details. So likewise, let us go and configure storage location. So in order to do so, in SPRO transaction IMG, go to materials management, maintain storage locations. So as soon as we execute it, system will ask to enter a plant. I had given my new plant. Here initially there won't be any storage locations. So click on new entries. I will give few storage locations. So likewise, I have created some storage locations here. Click on save. Again system will ask to maintain a transport request. So I have to maintain this. So in order to check in which table these storage locations that will get saved, one has to go into T001L, give the plant and execute. We can see all the storage locations. So whereas previously we have created a plant, so in order to get the plant address details, one can get it from here. Okay. Let us continue with creating a purchase organization. It is the same path as we have created storage location, SPRO IMG, enterprise structure, in definition, materials management, execute, maintain purchase organization. Here I am creating the purchase organization code similar to plant, which will help me for the assignment. Click on save. So purchase organization is saved. So to check the purchase organization at table level, one has to execute T001E. T024E. Right. So this is the purchase organization. It has not been assigned yet, so the rest of the details is coming blank. So now let us go with assignments. For that, in SPRO, IMG, enterprise structure, one has to go to assignment node, logistics general, assign plant to company code. So click on new entries. I am using already existing company code since it is having a lot of financial liabilities and general ledger accounts. So I am assigning my newly created plant here and save. So now what we have done so far, we have created plant, storage location and purchase organization and assigned plant to company code. So in order to check the assignments of plant to company code, one can go to table level T001K. So here assign the valuation area. See, the company code assignment can be checked at this table level. So now going forward with the other assignments, assign purchase organization to company code. Click on position and let us go to our newly created purchase organization. So coming to the purchase organization assignments, there are different types of purchase organizations. One is central purchase organization, where one single purchase organization will take care of all the plants that are assigned to a company code. Whereas there is decentralized purchase organization, which means every plant has its own purchase organization, just like here. For plant Z110, the purchase organization Z110 will take care of all the purchasing activities. Likewise, for another plant Z100, there will be a different purchase organization Z100 which will take care of purchasing activities. So that is called as decentralized purchase organization. Save. So in order to check plant and purchase organization assignments at table level, one can go to T024W. Assign the plant and execute. So this is how plant and purchase organization assignments can be checked. So now once plant and purchase organization and company codes assignments are done, this is the traditional method of assignments in ECC, whereas in S4HANA there is an additional step called OMX3, where material ledger is mandatory here. So now I am copying the plant 1710 here and assigning my new plant. So this is how we will copy the material ledger here, which is mostly taken care by FI consultants. But this is one thing we have to remember. So once this is done, then we have to execute transaction OMX1. Here we have to see for our valuation area if price determination is maintained or not. So it is not yet maintained. So one have to activate it by giving price determination as transaction based and save. So this is a mandatory step. Otherwise system do not allow to create any of the material documents and its relevant FI documents. So once this is done, then for a plant one has to assign valuation grouping code. This is also a mandatory step. Otherwise none of the material documents will get created through MIGO transaction. Here I am using valuation grouping code as 0001 and save. So this is also is a mandatory step in both ECC and S4 HANA server. Once this is done, there is another mandatory configuration called material type quantity and value update. So here what we usually do is, for all the material types that business is using for its day-to-day business activities, for all those material types one has to activate quantity and value update at valuation area, which is plant level. Otherwise system will ask to give an account assignment, which is nothing but a cost center and GL account while creating purchase order, because the purchase order without this setting is not a valid purchase order. So likewise I am activating for each and every material type at plant level. Help, which is semi-finished. Likewise ROH. So usually in client servers one can see ROH material type. Since this is a demo server, we are not seeing it, so I have taken reference as ROH material type. So once we have done all these settings, then we are good to go for material type and material master configurations. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe CLAD Technologies.